Istanbul is currently experiencing its most severe snowstorm in years. An Arctic cold front sweeping across the region has brought heavy snowfall, transforming the city into a vast white landscape. The bone-chilling cold is not only affecting Turkey, but also causing extreme weather conditions in Lebanon, Jordan, and Syria, severely disrupting daily life and transportation. According to forecasts, some areas in Istanbul could see up to 40 centimeters of snowfall, making travel extremely difficult. On major roads, cars and buses are skidding across icy surfaces, leading to multiple hazardous collisions. To ensure public safety, city authorities have ordered the closure of all schools on Friday and deployed hundreds of snowplows to keep key roads accessible. The chaos doesn't stop there. Major airports, including Istanbul Airport and Sabiha Gökçen, are struggling with numerous flight delays and cancellations. Ground crews are working tirelessly to clear runways blanketed in thick snow. Meanwhile, freezing temperatures continue to cause localized power outages as strong winds bring down power lines, leaving thousands of households in darkness amid the snowstorm. Meteorologists attribute this unusual cold wave to a Siberian air mass sweeping into the region, causing temperatures to plummet within days. Istanbul residents are enduring one of the harshest winters in history, with nighttime temperatures dropping below -10 degrees Celsius. Forecasts indicate that this extreme weather could persist for several more days, increasing the risk of icy roads and widespread power outages. Despite the harsh conditions, some residents are making the most of this rare event. Parks and squares across Istanbul are filled with people engaging in snowball fights and building snowmen, creating a striking contrast to the severe weather. However, not everyone is so fortunate. In mountainous areas, particularly along the Black Sea coast, heavy snow has triggered an increased risk of avalanches, posing a serious threat to local communities. Beyond Turkey, neighboring countries are also grappling with the effects of this cold wave. In Lebanon, snowfall has reached as low as 400 meters above sea level, an exceptionally rare occurrence. The capital, Beirut, is witnessing record low temperatures of just 4 degrees Celsius, disrupting daily life. In Jordan, authorities have declared a state of emergency in areas prone to flash floods and landslides due to melting snow. Meanwhile, in Syria, state media has warned that temperatures could drop more than 10 degrees Celsius below the seasonal average, with thick snow blanketing the outskirts of Damascus. Rescue teams are currently working around the clock to reach areas cut off by heavy snowfall. Hundreds of vehicles have become stranded on highways, forcing emergency responders to work through the night to rescue those trapped in the freezing cold. Could this be a sign that winters are becoming increasingly severe due to climate change? Experts warn that powerful snowstorms like this may become more frequent in the future. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this is the worst winter Istanbul has ever experienced? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest global disasters.